So, what do you mean by the shape of the universe?
You know, Sir Roger Penrose is really, truly a quintessential intellectual. On the scale of Einstein, he really did outdo himself. He really did, with his artistry, his illustrations, his ability to cross disciplines. He took etchings of infinity and repetitive repetition ad infinitum, and the infinity presentable and illustrated as if it looks like infinity. The impression of infinity was given a mathematical value. And that's what Penrose did. He was able to create a value for infinity. And in that way, he was then able to presume infinity and then shape infinity, different types of infinity in different ways, and create structures which infinity creates infinity in patterns or in shapes. And so that seems to be the way that reality is unfolding, or if at least because it's a metric, it seems like it's unfolding in that way. I'm not a physicist to be able to tell you the numbers and the mathematics. However, I feel the shape, so to speak, of the mathematics. And that seems to be the same, it seems to be of the same nature. And what I'm also beginning to see is that mystics in previous times seemed also to be expressing and describing reality in these types of proportions. A form of expansion, or not really an expansion, but a form of twisting or inversion or inverted infinity, and also expanded infinity. That type of way of seeing the world was described in mystic teachings from time immemorial. So they seem to have preserved this quantum idea, and it now appears that this structure can be harnessed. Well, if infinity does have a shape, like Sir Roger Penrose is demonstrating, can be attributed to it, and then if it can be calculated, and then we can terrascape our reality in many different ways. We have the tools to extricate ourselves from the incredible the collapse of infinity, and to limit it in symbols, and to analyze it, and then to manipulate it.